Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by elevating Command Prompt to Administrator. This gives you the permissions needed to fix system files. Once done, confirm the drive letter and paths you'll use so you don't run fixes in the wrong folder. Make sure you've noted error codes or symptoms. They guide which commands to run. You'll use DISM and SFC next, so keep Internet on for component repair and a restore point handy in case you need to revert changes. You'll first run DISM to repair the component store. Type dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth and wait. This can take 10-30 minutes. Once DISM reports success or repair actions, run SFC/scano to validate and replace corrupted system files. If SFC finds issues it can't fix, note the CBS log path for further analysis. Make sure to reboot after these steps to apply repairs and retest the symptoms. Sometimes a second pass fixes lingering issues. If connectivity or boot problems remain, you'll switch to targeted fixes. For network issues, run netch-int IP reset and netch-winsock reset, then reboot to refresh stacks. For startup problems, boot into recovery command prompt and run bootrex/fixember/fixboot/scanos and /rebuild to repair boot records. Once done, reboot and verify. If commands fail, boot into safe mode to isolate drivers or restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.